Hello, welcome to my YouTube. So today we are going to talk about what is email marketing, why email marketing is still very important in 2023. Okay, we will talk in details. Definition, strategies and tools to get started. So what is email marketing and how does it works? This beginner's guide will explain what email marketing is, and so by the end you will have a solid grasp of basic, along with know how launch an effective email marketing strategy for your business. Email marketing is the most profitable and cost effective direct marketing channel, generating an average return on investment of 42 billion for every years. For this reason alone, email should be a key pillar of your digital marketing strategy. Not doing any email marketing is like leaving money laying out on the table. But if you are a bit confused about where to start, that's totally normal. Email is a very vast discipline. It's easy for beginners to get lost in a sea of tools, techniques, and terminology. To learn more, stick around for everything you need to know about email marketing. Why email marketing is more important. Benefit of email marketing, how to do email marketing strategy. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a direct marketing channel that lets business share new products, sales, and updates with customers on their contact list. Its high return on investment makes it crucial to most business. Overall, the inbound strategy. Modern email marketing has moved away from one size fits all mass mailing and instead focusing on consent, segmentation, and personalization. This may sound time consuming, but marketing automation handles most of the heavy lifting for you. In a long run, a well-designed email marketing strategy not only drives sales but helps build a community around your brand.